I'm going to show you a couple of cool workflows with Anker. This first one, I've got a Revit model, 3D view with a bunch of furniture in different rooms. And I want to build an automated workflow so that all the furniture that are in the different rooms knows which rooms they are in, which is not super easy to do in Revit out of the box. So in this case, I'm going to open my Anker table. I've got a table called furniture that groups all the elements based on which room they are in. I'm going to add a color to these elements. And then let's see what happens if I go and move this wall over here. Let's see now. I'm going to sync my Revit file and then wait for Anker to process the new data. Boom, blue boxes. Now let's try something else. I'm gonna take this chair over here, move it there, maybe this group over to this location, and then maybe this green chair also is gonna follow its buddy over here. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna save the Revit file. Blue and green chairs. So what's happening here is that the chairs are updating which room they are in and applying a color to the chair as a color override in Revit based on its room data. But now let's even take it further a bit. I'm going to do what a lot of people do in Revit all the time. I'm going to take this group and I'm going to copy it. Oh, bad click. Copy. So now this chair or these two chairs and its table doesn't know anything about where it is. So I'm going to save again my Revit file and then see what happens. New element. Oh, it's getting colors, a little bit of a different colors, and then it's getting updated to which room it's in. So all these elements now know which room they are in based on their location. Now, last example, and this is a little bit of a stupid one maybe, but what people sometimes do is they move things around in Revit without really knowing what's going on. So this chair down here on the first floor, it has a hosted level 1 and elevation from level 0. So sometimes, probably not you because you're really good in Revit, but maybe you have someone you're working with who do this. They give that chair a positive offset of 3.8 meters. And then boom, all of a sudden, actually that chair still thinks it's on level 1, but it's not. It's on level 2. So let's see what happens now. And all I'm doing is I'm saving that file. Oh, it's blue. Great. So if we zoom out a little bit and look at what's really happening here is that by taking that data outside of Revit and processing it in the web, we enable like constantly live data workflows inside of Revit. So you can scale this application to 20, 30, 40 architects and engineers working together, and they will always, no matter what they do in Revit, produce high quality data without even having to think about it. That's cool.